Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, and the topic name is Company Accounts, Issue of Shares. Come on, let's read the problem, understand the problem and then start solving. Subhash Company Limited issue 2000 equity share of rupees 100 each. Payable 30 rupees on application, 30 rupees on allotment and 40 on first and the final call. All the shares are subscribed and duly allotted. Now see, all the shares are subscribed and duly allotted means your issued come for 2000 shares and the people have subscribed for 2000 shares. So 2000 shares are issued, 2000 allotted. Then everyone is allotted. Company made all the calls. All the cash were received except the first and the final call on 100 shares, equity share. The share was forfeited by the company and then it was reissued as fully paid up 75 rupees per share. So journal entries in the books of Subhash Company Limited. Now see, I think the first entry is very simple. Everybody is knowing it. Yes, the first entry is very easy. The first entry is for the application. You have applied and you will have received the application money. So how you are going to calculate? The calculation will take place. How many shares? 2000 shares at the rate of rupees 30 is an application money. So it is 60,000. Am I correct? 60,000. So what will be your first journal entry? Your first journal entry will be always, the same entry comes. Bank account debit to what? Why we have received the money? Is this share application account? Yes, share application account. Now we have already calculated how much? 60,000. And the company has come up with the issue of same and same money is received. So immediately the money will be transferred to where it will be transferred to share capital account. It is which share? Equity share. Am I correct? So you're going to write here. What are you going to write? You know the second entry transferring is share application account debit to equity share capital account. Am I correct? So you had come up with 2000 rupees. The company people have applied also that much. So that much money will be collected from us. After that, what is happening? You're going to go for the allotment. Allotment is again 30 rupees. So 2000 into 30 is 60,000. So what is the entry when the allotment is made? Yes, share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. Okay, so same 30,000, 30 rupees into 2000 comes to 60,000. Now you will see what was the sentence here. All the shares were subscribed and duly allotted. The company made all the calls. All the cash was received except first and final call. That means allotment money is fully received. So when allotment money is fully received, you know what is the entry? Yes, bank account debit to share allotment account. Am I correct? So full money is received. So you have asked for 60,000 and you have received 60,000. It's normal. You have a share application, then you have a share allotment, and then you have first and the final call. Yeah, what is the first and final call? 40 on shares. So obviously it is 2000 into 40. Yes, that comes to 80,000. I think what mistake we did? 2000 into 40. That comes to 80,000. See, zeros and all plays a very important role. Remember it. So you'll write here first and final call. You know, it is a first and final call. Account debit. Yes, किस पे किया आपने first and final call? Obviously on equity share. So we have removed an amount. It was 80,000. So you'll write here 80,000, 80,000. चलो, सब पैसे आए हैं? Yes. You know 100 shares के ऊपर पैसे नहीं आए. So 100 into 40 is how much? 4,000. Am I correct? See now, 100 into 40. That comes to 4,000. So 80,000 minus 4,000, that comes to 76,000. So you have received 76,000. So it is bank account debit. 2. It was first and final call account. It is first and final call account. How much? Out of 80,000, you're not receiving 4,000. That means you're receiving 76,000. Am I correct? Yeah. So what are you doing after that? The company made all the calls, all the cash were received except first and final call on 100 equity share. We did the entry for that. These shares were forfeited by the company. You know, forfeited. I told you what is the meaning of forfeiture. Forfeiture means compulsory termination of the membership due to non-payment of call money. आपने कॉल किया है और बंदे ने पैसा नहीं दिया तो आप उसका शेयर forfeit करते. Whenever there is forfeit of shares, आपका शेयर कैपिटल का वैल्यू कम हो जाता है. So it is always equity share capital account debit 2. Now you will be writing here 2. उसने क्या पेमेंट नहीं किया? फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल उसने पेमेंट नहीं किया. सो यू राइट फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट 2 शेयर forfeiture account शेयर forfeiture account. नाउ सी कितना आपने 100 रुपीज कितने शेयर्स forfeit किए? 100 shares. So 100 into 100, that comes to 100 into 100, that comes to 10,000. So share capital आपका reduction in share capital कितना हुआ? 10,000. ओके, उसने पैसे कितने नहीं दिए? आपको पता है 4,000. और उसने कितने पैसे दे दिए ऑलरेडी? 6,000 he is already given. So whatever he is not given is 4,000. Whatever he is given, that comes to share forfeiture account. Okay students. Now फिर उसके बाद what is happening? See, there is one more thing. These shares were forfeited and reissue. Reissue का मतलब क्या हो रहा है? You are issuing this share again to the public. Are you getting it? But this time the share's value is coming to 75 rupees per share. You are selling this share once again to someone else, but the nominal value will be 75 rupees. So you will be getting only 75 rupees per share. So you will be receiving some money. So it is bank account debit. So what is the bank account debit? So it is 75 into 100. So you're receiving how much? 7,500. So you're receiving how much? 7,500. जो बैलेंस है बचा हुआ, that is 10,000 का शेयर है, 7,500 आ रहा है. सो जो डिफरेंस ऑफ द अमाउंट है, that is 2,500. आपको कहां से मिलेगा? आपको मिलेगा शेयर forfeiture अकाउंट से. You'll be getting this money from share forfeiture account. How much is less? It is 2,500. And the share capital will be same. The value of share capital is never reduced. Remember it. Huh, students? शेयर कैपिटल का वैल्यू कभी भी कम नहीं होता है. बिकॉज इट वॉज अ री इश्यू, इसलिए हमने थोड़ा सस्ते में बेच दिया. सो इट इज टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. Yes. What is the value of equity share capital account? It is 10,000. Okay, now this is being share reissue. So you have reissued the share. The value of share was 75 rupees. So 75 into 100 comes to 7,500. Difference you are getting it from share forfeiture account. And again the share. See, this share was reduced for 10,000. It again came to 10,000. But in share forfeiture account you had 6,000 rupees. Am I correct? You had how many rupees? 6,000 rupees was there. You minus 2,500. कितना बचा बच्चों? 3,500. This 3,500 will be transferred to your. Yes, this 3,500 will be transferred to capital reserve account. You know, difference in share forfeiture account is always transferred to it's always transferred to capital reserve account. So इस बार हमने कौन सी नई एंट्री सीखी इस प्रॉब्लम में? इस प्रॉब्लम में there was only one new entry which was reissue of the share. The new entry was for reissue of the share. अदरवाइज बाकी सब एंट्रीज हमारी नॉर्मल एंट्रीज थी जो हम अभी तक करते आ रहे थे. एम आई करेक्ट? यस. सी एवरी टाइम देखो एप्लीकेशन मनी आएगा ही आएगा. एप्लीकेशन मनी हमेशा आएगा. फिर वो एप्लीकेशन मनी को आप ट्रांसफर करोगे वो भी आएगा ही आएगा. यू विल बी ट्रांसफरिंग टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल और प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल. अगर जो भी चीज हो उसका आएगा, हमेशा आएगा. याद रखिएगा ये बात. Okay students, so all this thing will usually come. So if I अगर मैं tally करना चाहूँ, because this is a second last problem, I'll tell you something. See, application money will always come. Application money will be transferred to equity share capital account. That will always come. Then you'll have a allotment. Allotment आएगा. अगर full पैसा आ गया तो same to same amount आएगा. Then you have a first call, second call, third call, depending upon what the company and how the company is calling the money. If you receive the whole money, it comes. If does not receive, तो जितने लोगों ने पैसा दिया उसी का आएगा. If they told you to forfeiture of the share, this will be the forfeiture का entry. If the share is reissued, this will be the entry. If the share is forfeited, this will be the entry, and then this will be the entry for the capital account. Okay, students. So by this, I am completing this problem. Have a good day. Enjoy. Study. Again, I'll repeat, which I always say, that study will always help you. Remember it. If you study properly, you are going to get good marks in the examination. Accounts is the subject where you can score full